everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your BMO MasterCard. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in bmo.com/activate. Press enter on your keyboard to end up right inside the card activation page for BMO credit card. To activate your new MasterCard or credit card, enter your 16-digit card number, which should be available on your card itself. After you are done with it, head over to the next field and type in your expiration date. Make sure to type in the expiration date of your card. On the next field, type in your 3-digit security code located on the back of your card you are trying to activate. Finally, click next and follow through the prompts to finish off your card activation. BMO MasterCard is a credit card issued by the Bank of Montreal. It offers rewards and benefits to its users, and it also comes with a variety of features such as cashback rewards, travel rewards, and other perks. That is how you'll be able to activate your new credit card for BMO. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.